To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, navigate to the direct messages from the bottom menu. Then, open the chat where you want to send the HD photo. Now, tap the gallery icon in the message box. And select the photo you want to send. You will then see a HD button in the top right corner of the photo preview. Tap on it. A message will appear confirming that the media is set to HD quality. Then, tap Send to share your photo. Your photo will be delivered to the chat in HD quality. The recipient will receive a high-resolution version, ensuring clearer and sharper image details. Sending photos in HD ensures your images are clear and sharp, and you can even select multiple photos at once. So that's how you can send HD photos on Instagram.